Now at 5, as the abortion debate rages at the State House, legal experts are raising concern about the ban making its way through the state Senate.
Yeah, CBS 4's Kristen Askow reports now an amendment could put doctors in legal jeopardy.
Certainly mixed reaction to the changes that were made Tuesday. One thing several experts agree on, the bill still lacks specifics to give clarity in certain situations.
The bill moving forward at the State House bans abortion at all times during pregnancy, except in cases of rape, incest, or substantial risk to the mother's health. Now lawmakers have passed an amendment adding criminal penalties for doctors. Any abortion that doesn't fall under the allowed exceptions would be a level 5 felony. Doctors who perform a legal abortion could face 1 to 6 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000.
Doctors won't know in real time when they are practicing and providing health care what they are allowed to do under this statute.
Ashley Hadler is an Indianapolis attorney who says the legislation right now is vague and doesn't give specifics on what's legal and what isn't.
We know in the cases that I handle in civil medical malpractice cases that reasonable doctors can disagree on what the standard of care requires.
Dr. Allison Case, a family medicine physician who provides medication abortions and supports abortion access, is worried the legislation will cause doctors to become hesitant in some situations.
They might feel like they can't, that they have to delay care because of concerns around this criminality versus doing the right thing for the pregnant person and treating them right away.
Dr. Christina Francis of the American Association of Pro-Life OBGYNs doesn't take issue with the addition of criminal penalties, but would like to see more specific rules and a review process in the bill for doctors.
We know how to identify when a woman is when her clinical condition is starting to change in such a way that indicates that she could be in a life-threatening situation.
Lawmakers will be back at the State House Thursday to debate proposed amendments to the abortion bill. At the State House, Kristen Askow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thank you.